Hi students, welcome back. Coming to our next topic in database management system is sorting. So sorting is nothing but it is arranging the values either in ascending order or descending order. So to make the database in a particular order, we will use the sorting. So actually sorting requires when we use ordered by clause in SQL. So in structured query language, whenever you are using the writing the queries, in the case of ordered by class, if you are using the ordered by, in that case the sorting will be required. Okay, and this sorting is also removes the duplicates. So whatever the duplicate values that are present in the database tables, that will be removed in with the help of this sorting. So why we are using sorting? Sorting is used for quicker execution operations, for fast